when I was looking for someone to kind of pursue this journey with, it was important to me to find somebody that kind of oozed an ethical and kind approach to this very sensitive topic for me. But ultimately decided to go with Dr. Boden. After our consultation, it just felt right, and I felt like he would be the person that would most align with my expectations.
First and foremost, you're the only patient we'll be working with all day. You get a lot of focused attention. My goal for you is that we create something that looks natural. What are your goals for today?
My hope is that we can work together to figure out how to reestablish my hairline and figure out kind of what that looks like today, tomorrow, and 20 years. I have full confidence Dr. Boden will be able to bring back what has been lost, and I'm really excited about it. When people are pursuing hair restoration, they see a lot of videos of people getting their hairline drawn, and I see kind of a straight line that's done very quickly, and then the physician is never to be seen again. I did not feel that at all. We spent a lot of time here this morning going through every aspect, measuring twice, 3 times, and finding out together what works best for me. And I was very nervous coming into this process that, based on what I saw on the, online and throughout in my own research, that was not going to be a focus, and it absolutely was today.
Well, I am looking forward to a great day. The next step from here is we are going to scrub the area thoroughly with an antibacterial rinse. We'll numb the area. You'll be awake. It's not, there's no general anesthesia here. You'll be awake. We'll give you a little medicine so you feel relaxed. I'll make tiny little recipient openings so we can control the angle and the direction of every hair follicle. The next step will be extracting the follicles, sorting them one by one, and then we'll reimplant the follicles into this plan. I've extracted about 1/3 to 1/2 of what our total is going to be. And next step is going to be to have you lie back down again, and we'll finish the extractions one by one. Each of the follicles we take out, by the way, they're looking great, and each of the follicles we remove are being sorted and evaluated under a microscope. And then we will give you a stretch break and a lunch break, and then we'll spend the rest of the afternoon tucking the follicles in. How are you doing?
Much better than I expected, to be honest with you. I guess you go in not really understanding what you're going to experience, but this has been really smooth and seamless, and I'm really grateful.
Good. So far, so good. On to the next stage.
Yeah. So we are wrapping up the implantation process. I'm very excited. I've had a really, really good day, just relaxing at the moment, taking it easy. Soon I'll be able to see a first look, which is going to be really cool to see how, how all the work that we've done today and how it looks and what I can be hopeful for over the next 12 months.
You're a great patient, and the hairs in the back are now relocated here. It's going to take a period of time to grow in. Obviously, it looks a little raw right now, obviously, but it went perfectly. I'm really looking forward to it. And if you look really close, you can see those little micro and macro irregularities we talked about. And if you look really, really close, and we'll show you with a picture, you can actually see the angle and the direction of each of the hairs as they emerge.
It was really easy. Everyone was the best. I had a really nice time, actually. It was really enjoyable. I thought today was going to be the hard part. Today was not the hard part. The hard part is now waiting for the results. So.
Yeah. The redness will fade pretty quickly. Mm-hmm. It's going to look pretty much where you started.
Okay.
And it's going to slowly evolve over the next 6, 12, even 18 months. So
we'll get there.
Yeah, we'll get there. Looking great.